Goa Zata. This is happening in Goa. Even Orissa and other places, pollution control board objection and I am Goan people are silent. The moment they get up, you will come to know. We are objecting to this total coal hub. All this business is a sinister plan to destroy Goa. Please remember that we are not with you. All these objections, whatever people have raised, there are EIA which has been, now this EIA to get the whole pollution, the clearance, the pollution clearance is a fraud. So, we are opposed to it. Goans are opposed to it. Please put my objection as a Goankar and as a MLA.
आमचे गोय कितें केले आणि वो कोल हँडलिंग इतले थोडे असताना इतलो मेळ आणि जेन्ना आता तुम्ही जस्ट टू प्लीज ए इंडस्ट्रियलिस्टान आदानी असल्या मनशान यू वांट टू डिस्ट्रॉय द होल ऑफ गोवा टू सपोर्ट वन मॅन
अरे रिकॉर्डिंग जाता बोरायता किती नोट द ब्लड ऑफ
it is better that you do away with one man and save the whole state of Goa.
To it. On the same count, I am requesting you again to postpone the public hearing until local languages and the required panchayat in 10-kilometer radius is served with copies. I think it is not only me and my fishermen union in Goa is asking for this demand. Here we have the Congress who is present. Here we have the NCP which is present. Here we have the Aam Aadmi which is present. Therefore, this is almost 80% of the people's demand that we want a local language EIA draft notification.
Effective source and competing users, unit KLE. Am I right, sir? If I am going wrong with that, please tell me. And the answer is yes. Details thereof is the requirement shall be met from existing allocation of Goa PWD for existing operations. About 700 KLD of water would be required for full operation. 700 KLD means 7 lakh liters per day of PWD water. Sir, आमचे first of all, sir, कर्नाटका आमचे मादे रिवर डायवर्ट करपाक सोदता. आमचे एक्विफायर जे वॉटर सोर्सेस आसा ते मायनिंगाक लागून ते पाड पडला तांचे.
Measures that are taken to stop coal pollution, are it true? Yes or no? Now, if you are agreeing on that, I want to tell you one thing. While this conversation was going on, this public hearing was going on, Hana log bindas kite footing martare. I went just now to the port, and I can prove a fact. Tumi aga media aga tumi jari bias na tala maja paper chala. I will show you that there is a frame, but there is no tarpaulin on that, and it is still going on right now here.
Objection has been recorded in the minutes, and the EAC will decide on that. Environment Impact Assessment Committee has no right to decide whether this is required to be in Kogni or whatever, and it is, the summary is provided in Kogni, and that is me sufficient.